health, wealth, love, everything we want. And how about doing one manifestation prayer that gives you all? And that's why Ho'oponopono prayer is my favorite technique to manifest everything. Yet, just don't start doing it. Understand how it is worked, because this technique is very deep. और ये मेरी favorite इसलिए है because you don't have to have a human intervention in this. People are able to fix health, people are able to fix wealth, people are able to fix love using this prayer without involving the other party. क्योंकि कई बार झगड़ा हो जाता है तो we don't know what to say to other party, but through this prayer we can really send energy to our own body, we can really send energy to money energy, we can even send energy to the past, remote past जहाँ पे हमने कुछ mistake की हो. So this prayer is very deep, and it's important to understand this prayer and see how this works. And I'm going to share how this prayer works in every domain of health, love, and wealth. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you watch these videos regularly, then your subconscious will reprogram and you are also going to start manifesting one day just like that.
Practicing Ho'oponopono is really deep and there is energy shift. So there are coaches who like to read a lot about it and they can explain the experiences of Joe Vitale, and you can of course read the book yourself. And then there are coaches who are working in a large group with the people on Ho'oponopono practice. They can also talk about the results. Now, I'm someone who works in a mid-sized group with people, and I have my own experience of how this prayer works through energy. The first experience that I'm sharing here is for health. So this female, she was going through IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and she came to me. And of course, she came to me for work purposes, that she wanted to be a better leader in the organization. But you know, the concept of self-love is extremely important in manifestations. So Ho'oponopono is a basic prayer that we give for self-love. So she started Ho'oponopono for herself. Now I'll tell you two levels of Ho'oponopono that she did. So when she was doing it for herself, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, it started improving her energy and she started feeling better about herself and she started liking herself. But the real shift came in the health when she changed the prayer. So she then changed it and she started sending Ho'oponopono as a higher self to her. So she was sending Ho'oponopono prayers, energy to her as a third person. So let's say your name is Nina and you're doing Ho'oponopono prayer for yourself. In this case, you will send the Ho'oponopono prayer healing energy to Nina. You will really experience yourself from outside as if you're a higher self. And this happened that in 3 months, she recovered from her IBS. I also have this as a testimonial. So now this is second case study, which is about love. And I got a student, she wanted to manifest love with the husband. Now husband is not a manifester. He's like normal person using brains for everything, and she's a manifester and she's with me and she is using now Ho'oponopono with the husband. Now just look at me, I am a coach and I don't even know the person. I don't even interact with them. I have never told her any dialogue or any tactic which she has to use for her husband. Now she just starts doing Ho'oponopono prayer for her husband, and within a day what happens, he unblocks her. She is able to receive replies from him. So she sends him a message and she receives a reply, and this happened within 24 hours. She got the breakthrough. In 1 month time, they were talking regularly on phone. In 2 months time, she visited him, and in 3 months time, he sent her tickets so she can come and start living back with him. This is the magic of Ho'oponopono prayer, just energy healing, nothing else. And now I'm going to share a wealth case study of Ho'oponopono prayer. Now this person wanted to manifest money, and you know, if you look at a lot of coaches, they're saying do Ho'oponopono for money, and he also did it, we were also doing it, and this is a basic thing that we start with. When you have to manifest money, then we give you more money Ho'oponopono. Now this person was doing money Ho'oponopono and things were getting better. Then I did chakra balancing also, and he started feeling better with the money energy and everything happened. Still, the loan was not getting cleared and big opportunity opportunities were not coming in the environment. Now see the shift in Ho'oponopono, how Ho'oponopono was used in a very different way. So there's normal way of doing Ho'oponopono. So finally one day we did Akashic record for him. So in Akashic what happens, there are karmic blueprints, right? The records are all there somewhere and you can access them through your subconscious. So we did that technique with him, and there he realized that because in some lifetime he was very rich and proudy, he hurt a lot of people because of money, and those people were hurt and needed his healing. So now we changed Ho'oponopono, and now he sent a lot of prayer to these people, unknown people, lot of people, and within 1 week he was able to clear 50% of his loan, which is a big achievement. Within next 2 months, his wealth manifestation worked and he got a big job offer also. Now, this is an extremely powerful case study of how Ho'oponopono can be used correctly. And for that, you need to be really working on this with a coach who really understands. So anytime you are interested, you can book a call and you don't have to stay miserable. Just work on your energy with a coach and you will be out of it and living your dream life. If you have watched the video till here, it means you have understood the hidden power of Ho'oponopono prayer. Leave me a comment below so that your subconscious also knows that you have understood this message, this power, and then you are most likely to apply Ho'oponopono in your situation and get the results too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you see this kind of powerful content every week so that you start becoming a winner. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.